the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night, touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared, for no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools that you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you. But my words are like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon gods they made, and the sun flashed out its morning in the words that it was forming. Signs and the words of the product written on the subway wall and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.